In this video, we will review how to solve one-step inequalities. Remember, in order to solve one-step inequalities, we want to use what's called the inverse operation. That just means we are looking for the opposite operation of whatever is happening to our variable, which in this case is x. Let's start with the first one. I have x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9. To show the inverse operation, I'm going to show minus 5 or negative 5 to both sides of the inequality. Plus 5 minus 5 cancels out, so all that's left is x. I still keep my greater than or equal to symbol, and now I have 9 minus 5, or 9 and negative 5, which is equal to 4. Remember to graph this. On our number line, we would have 4 here in the middle, 3 to the left, 5 to the right. This is greater than or equal to, so that's a closed circle. And we're going to point to the right, because that's going to show things that are bigger than 4. The next example we have is x minus 5 is less than 10. Again, we're going to show the opposite of what's happening to x. So the opposite of minus 5 would be a plus 5 or a positive 5. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides of the inequality. Minus 5 plus 5 cancels out, so all that's left is x. I keep my less than symbol, and then 10 plus 5 is 15. Again, to graph this one, we have on our number line 15 here in the middle, 14 to the left, 16 to the right. This is a less than symbol, so that's an open circle, and we're going to point to 14 because that's things that are less than 15. The next two examples are a little bit different. And this first one, we see 3x is less than or equal to 27. This right here is multiplication. So to undo multiplication, I'm going to show the opposite, which is division. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. X would be what's left here, because those 3's cancel out, is less than or equal to 27 divided by 3, which is 9. To graph this, I would have my number line, 9 here in the middle, 8 on the left, 10 on the right. This is less than or equal to, so that's going to be a closed circle, and I'm going to point to things that are less than 9, which is pointing to the 8. The last example we have, we see division, so the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm just going to multiply both sides by 4. Divide by 4 times by 4 is inverses, so those cancel out. So all that's left is x, keeping the greater than symbol, and then 12 times 4 is 48. To graph my x greater than 48, I have on my number line 48 in the middle, 47 to the left, and 49 to the right. I'm going to have an open circle because it's just greater than, and I'm going to point to the 49 because 49 is greater than 48.